When you want something, who do you ask first?
Dad.
Why Dad?
He says yes.
Fast yes or slow yes?
Fast.
Does he check first?
No.
Then what happens?
Mum hears.
And then?
Yes becomes no.
What's your favorite subject in school?
Snack time.
That's the best answer I've heard all day.
Your family ever late going places?
Sometimes.
Why is that?
Mom says, I'm ready. But she still has a towel on her head.
Me and Daddy argue. Whose team are you on?
I'm on Daddy's team.
Oh! Really? Why Daddy and not Mummy?
Because Mummy's the strong one. Daddy's the one who needs backup.
Why does Daddy go to work?
So Mommy can order things.
Order things.
Mommy's wish list is very long, so Daddy has to work extra.